The pump has come to LGHL up, as you can see, almost 190%. This is Tuesday, the 9th of September 2025. Well, before we see what's going on, the stock is, let's see, very low float. You see here, it says shares outstanding is 539,000. That tells you a lot. It's not even up to 1 million. If this is shares outstanding, then float will be even way less than that. Underlying trend, very bearish, nothing there. Okay, so see where it's incorporated. You have to be very careful. Also see market cap, very tiny, subject to manipulation. You probably know a friend who has this amount of money and they can change the direction of such a stock with this tiny float, amongst other things. Intraday high for 4.59, closed at 1.5 yesterday with a gain of 11%. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till midday today, and then after that, they might contract, consolidate, and then maybe resume again. But I'll tell you, just don't get involved with this. Just be really careful. The ship has sailed since. Projections are saying it's a downward projection 3.43 as things stand right now. Let's quickly have a look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, so what do we have here in terms of projections? We have 4.4 and 4.59. Let's see what we have here. It's saying currently it has 5.73, 6.63, 7.19. Okay, earlier on it had 4.0, 4.06, 4.44. Okay, let's look at the 2 minute chart. Okay, nothing to the upside as not like what we have on the day on the 1 minute chart. 3 minutes, nothing like that. 5 minute chart, nothing like that. So we're going to rely on the projections on this 1 minute chart, saying that we have projections going all the way towards 7.19. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour chart and see what's going on. 2.21. High prices expected to remain in place up till the close of today's trading session, whereas the 4 hour chart is saying it's going to decline by midday today. Okay, let's see 2 hour chart. Okay, saying will remain strong up till Thursday's pre-market session, Thursday the 11th. Three-hour chart, what is it saying? Contraction, or rather a peak will print by 10 a.m. New York time today, and then might get into a contraction. So I think the 3 and 4 hour charts are seeing contractions coming soon, but the other charts are a lot more ambitious. Yeah, this is the 4 hour chart again, saying 12 midday today New York time. It's going to decline. It's going to begin to contract, and then after that may resume the uptrend. It's actually, well, to some extent you can actually see where they meet. Yeah, where they meet somehow, but yeah, because this prints every 4 hours, and then the 1 hour chart, for instance, prints every 1 hour. So yeah, you could see where this will print something else, and the 4 hour chart will print something else, and then the 1 hour chart will print something else. Yeah, let's see what's going on, how active this market is. It has lost some of those gains, losing them, pulling back. They are dumping it. They are dumping the stock. 356. Let's see where we are. Okay, that's where we are. It looks quite liquid. Well, if anything, at least it's very active, surely. Let's see what the volume is so far. 17.645 million shares. Yeah, it's definitely, it's might be one of the most active today. It may be. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart and see what's going on. Let's look at today's chart. This is a 1 minute chart. I don't think it may be the best to compare what's going on and what we have there. It's picking up some steam, some momentum. This is where the stock is right now. Yeah, yeah, selling pressure is what's prevailing right now. Okay, just have a look and just be really careful with LGHL. LGHL. Just be careful. Just be careful. The best opportunity to buy has since gone away. Let me show you the market grid here. You clearly see that the stock will be trading outside of its price channel, or rather the market grid, which is like a price channel. Yeah, you can see that this is where the grid ends. It ends at 2.15. The stock has since blown through that. No, 2.29. That's where it's supposed to be. 2.29 since blown through that. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart is for trading. Not really, not going to be of much use because it's saying something else totally different. Right now, it's saying okay, it's well within the grid. Yeah, okay. So our best bet is we've looked at a 4 hour chart. It's right outside of the grid. Let's look at a 1 hour chart. Yeah, okay. Here it's within the grid, but it's for a totally different purpose. It's it's within the grid. The grid has expanded to all the way towards 4.77, and the stock is at 3.34. But even if you think this is useful, think of the stock. I mean, think of the stock trading at 1.5. That would have been a good opportunity. So if you want to get in now, obviously not the best time, but just have a look and see what you make of LGHL. Be careful, be really careful about this one. A rock pool could happen. Yeah. Okay. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.